guys, my name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. So today it is time to draw the week 9 prompts for the Simply Random Ephemera challenge that we've been doing. I can't believe we're almost halfway because I have 20 weeks worth of choices to pick from. So yeah, I'm just super excited about this every week. Excuse me. I got out of breath for a second. I'm still not 100% over my illness. So, and then the weather has just completely wrecked my sinuses. So I apologize. Anyway, I get so excited to see everybody's creations each week. It's just, I can't even. So let's go ahead and choose our items. First, I just want to remind you, the hashtag for the challenge is simplyrandomchallenge. Okay, and then you can tag me on Instagram and YouTube. I don't know if I mentioned this. I was informed by one of my viewers, I can't remember who it was, I'm sorry, that if you don't have, I think you have to have 1,000 subscribers or something to be able to tag people on YouTube. I don't understand it, but if you have trouble tagging me, use the hashtag, and it may take me a little longer to see it, but I will eventually see it. Or you can send me a message and say, hey, I just uploaded a video to YouTube for the Simply Random Challenge, and I'll go check it out right away. But you don't have to do that. I'll find it. No worries. And yeah, so that's all the pertinent information. So let's go ahead and choose. Let's do color first. It's our color jar, tin thing. All right, give us a good color. Give us a good color. I don't know what a good color is. White. Okay. White. That's pretty simple, I think. It should be. I don't like white, but if I do it on purpose, then I do. All right. And our theme here. So fingers crossed that Oscar and Pixie don't start barking at something here because they are home today. Travel. Okay, so a travel theme with the color white. Let's do our technique. Sewn. Okay, so we need to sew something. This can be machine sewn. This can be hand sewn. This could be even, I know that there are like stamps that look like a sewn edge on, when you stamp them. If that's what you have, use that. If you want to just if you don't have any of that and you just want to take a Sharpie and draw little, sewn lines, that's fine too. No worries. We'll make it work. I want everybody to be able to get involved, so don't let that stop you. Okay, items. We're going to pick 3 items. Let's see what we get. So far, so good. I mean, this isn't weird at all. This should be pretty easy so far. Let's see. We've got a composition book or a notebook. And if you don't want to use the whole composition book or notebook, you can just use part of it, meaning you could just take a piece of paper out of that and use that. So however you want to do that. I'm excited now because I've been wanting to do a composition notebook project for a while, so now I have an excuse. All right, the next one is bottle caps. Okay, we can do it. So any bottle caps. We could even use, if you have like vintage milk caps, or if you have, Tim Holtz has milk caps in some of his ephemera packs, I think. You could even create one out of chipboard if that works for you. So again, no worries about, just be creative. And finally, we have tickets. All right, this isn't hard at all. So we've got travel and tickets. That's easy. I mean, that goes together. The color white, I mean, come on, that's pretty simple. Something sewn or drawn to look like it's sewn, or however you want to do that. Composition book or notebook, any pieces or parts of it. And bottle caps. All right, so I think this is going to be fun. Week 9 is going to be awesome. I think Yeah, I'm so excited. I pull these and then my brain starts going and then I can't talk like a human being anymore. All right, I'm gonna let you go. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday and a wonderful start to your next week. And I will be back soon with this process video and another special video that I'm hoping to get done for this week. So fingers crossed that that goes well, because this is a project that I have been meaning to do, where I had scheduled to do since like January. So yeah. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.